Hi everyone, this is Rocky and join me today as I cook one of my version, a recipe called Buttered Garlic Alupihang Dagat or the so-called Mantis Shrimp.
Hi everyone, this is Runner Rocky and welcome to my YouTube channel.
So, before we put everything on the frying pan, let me introduce first the ingredients for our recipe. Our main ingredients is definitely the shrimp mantis, or popularly known as the Alupihang Dagat. So prior to this recipe, I already steamed them. That's why you could see it's brownish color. And of course, the other minor ingredients are the garlic, which I already crushed or cut into its tiniest pieces. And we have the spreadable butter. So here you go. A simple set of ingredients for our buttered garlic shrimp mantis. And now, let's start heating our frying pan. And once we attain the desired heat, it's time to put the spreadable butter. We are going to melt butter in this frying pan. So instead of using a cooking oil, we are using this spreadable butter. So you will smell its sweet aroma that will really make you hungry. One by one, the butter blocks are turning into a liquid butter oil. So let's start to melt them. What's good with this butter that I've used is that it's already a salted spreadable butter. So I don't need any more to put more salt on my recipe, because that salted spreadable butter will take or will give that salty flavor to our recipe. So as you can see, crackers, butter is now turning into a liquid oil. Once everything now is turned into a liquefied oil, it's now time to put the garlic that was cut into its tiniest pieces, and you will smell its aromatic flavor. The mixing, the aromatic smell of that butter plus the aroma of the garlic, that will truly put you into your appetite. So I feel hungry now while I'm sauteing that pieces of garlic. Just continue to saute these pieces of garlic until the garlic turn it's to brownish or to its golden flavor. So as you can see, it's turning now into its brownish color. That's the sign that we're going now, or we're ready to put the shrimp mantis into this frying pan. So our Alupihang Dagat or shrimp mantis are now ready aromatic flavor, the garlic, the butter, and of course, the main character of our ingredients, which is the Alupihang Dagat or the shrimp mantis. So let's continue to flip them until the butter and the garlic mix well with our mantis. Just continue flipping them upside down, and as you can see, our shrimp mantis or Alupihang Dagat are turning into its golden brown reddish color. That signifies our shrimp mantis or Alupihang Dagat are well cooked. And we are smelling now that tasty aroma of this recipe, the garlic, the shrimp butter, and our shrimp mantis. So flavorful that are now turning us to be more hungry. To add more buttery flavor, you may also add additional spreadable butter on top of our shrimp mantis. Then we'll add another spread of this butter to our recipe so that the flavor, that salty flavor of this spreadable butter will be on its top. And let's continue to fold them upside down so that the newest addition of the butter will spread to the other parts of the recipe. So as you can see, it is now turning to its golden color of the mantis. That flavorful goodness that we always see on the restaurant. So I really feel hungry with this. I can wait to eat. For some, they want the Alupihang Dagat to be roasted or to steam. So for our recipe, let's add more twist. Let's make it more roasted or let's make it tostado so that when we eat it, you will feel the crunch. It's crunchy, even those smallest parts, they were crunchier. But ensure that our heat is on its medium level. So there. 2 more minutes and this recipe is ready to serve. So what we produce right now is not only a garlic buttered shrimp mantis or Alupihang Dagat, but we can call it as a roasted buttered garlic shrimp mantis. That is perfectly an ulam to our hot rice. So, this is now ready to serve and we are turning off the fire in a bit. And here we go, karockers. We are now serving our roasted Buttered Garlic Shrimp Mantis. And it will be on our table in few minutes. And here is now our finished product. A roasted buttered garlic shrimp mantis, or the so-called Alupihang Dagat. So again, thank you for watching mga karockers, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and share our YouTube channel Rano Rocky for more recipes and updates. So I can't wait, I want to eat my very own recipe. Until our next video, and I'll enjoy eating.
Thank you for watching Karockers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button here in my YouTube channel Runner Rocky for more updates, vlogs, reviews, reactions, celebrity interviews, Thai BL news, and livestream videos. See you all.